Hey there, before we get into the nitty-gritty, we need to address a pressing concern. We've received word of some nefarious individuals out there peddling counterfeit SeriSkin products on unauthorized websites. Stay safe and steer clear of these scams. The real deal is exclusively available on the official SeriSkin website. We've got your back. Check out the link in the description below and the first pinned comment for a direct route to the genuine product. Now, let's dive into what exactly this SeriSkin anti-aging supplement is all about. Picture this, a potent blend of scientifically backed ingredients meticulously crafted to combat the visible signs of aging from within. This isn't just another skincare cream, it's a holistic approach to rejuvenation. What's got us all abuzz are the remarkable benefits SeriSkin brings to the table. This supplement isn't just about smoothing out wrinkles, it's about revitalizing your entire being. Radiant skin, lustrous hair, and nails that could rival a gemstone, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The potent mix of vitamins, antioxidants, and collagen boosters work harmoniously to breathe life back into your beauty game. Well, they're offering a 180-day money-back guarantee. Yes, you read that right. That's half a year to witness the magic firsthand and decide if it's your true beauty ally. If you're not over the moon with your results, they've got your investment covered. Alright, if you're as excited as we are about embarking on this journey to timelessness, head straight to the official SeriSkin website. Remember, this supplement is your backstage pass to a more youthful you, and the official website is your gateway.